So when you pick up plants or you get into designing a space or decking up a space, you have to look at something like this. So what you do is you go for a walk and you just have some cuttings and everything. It's not complicated. It's really very easy and simple. Avoid being a little fussy about what you pick up and stuff, because as you place the plants and stuff, you're going to get better ideas. You keep looking at them, you're going to have new ideas coming to you, what kind of plants you could have. But the driving rationale is not the look and feel of the plant, it's the way you think. So you think of it as an arty piece, you think of it as something which is probably got an objective like prosperity or abundance. Like money plants are for abundance, and then you have your aloe vera, or you have jade for abundance and prosperity and stuff. So it's a thought process. And the point is this: get a like a few cuttings, put them in your vases, put them in your bottles and stuff, and it's the easiest thing to do. And of course, when you go into the bigger ones, the bigger ones which are in the planters, which are really expensive. Let's say starting range is about 10,000 above and goes into lakhs and stuff. In those, you can have aerial plants, and you can have window plants. You can have something for your bedroom, something for your balconies and stuff, and also for your entrances and lobbies and stuff like that. So the point is, people forget that you can also have plants in their restrooms or washrooms. They can use kitchens also for this and stuff, but avoid making it a nursery. So what's important is what feels good to you and stuff, and looking at the AQI, and looking at the way the environmental pollution is. There are families in Delhi who've grown organic farms and stuff like that. So that becomes a different subject or a topic, but from an interior designing point of view and stuff, what's really important is to focus on this. If you are plucking a plant, अगर आप प्लांट लगा रहे हैं और अगर आप डिस्प्ले कर रहे हैं, इंटीरियर डेकोरेशन कर रहे हैं, तो ड्राइविंग फैक्टर ये होना चाहिए कि आप बेसिकली फील गुड एंड फील ग्रेट के लिए तो कर ही रहे हैं, बट द पॉइंट इज़ आप जगह की ब्यूटी बढ़ाने के लिए कर रहे हैं, या और आपको अच्छा लगना चाहिए. ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि मरा हुआ प्लांट हो, बिकॉज डेड प्लांट्स, मरा हुआ प्लांट, डेड प्लांट सिग्निफाई नेगेटिव chi or energy and stuff. So make sure all your plants are kind of trending. It's like your graph which goes up. So upward graph means growth. So all your plants have to have leaves and everything which are going upwards. And if you have let's say high rise workspaces, columns and stuff and all that, then you can aesthetically use those really very well. Okay, so it's the way you implement it. So use a permutation and a combination of small plants and big plants and stuff like that. And what is most important is avoid filling up the spaces just because you want to take it up and stuff. So windowsills may, what we have is women or children will, or people will put 50 different plants, and it becomes a nursery. So you have to avoid doing that when you're in designing and interiors and stuff. You have to be very selective, and you have to have good quality plants. And again, let me repeat it, you have to have this concept of an art or a sculptural thingy playing in your head when you do it. The bigger the leaves, the better it is, and then that's how it kind of accentuates the whole feeling of the room and stuff. So Jashin Kapani on jkapani.im@gmail.com, and Jashin Kapani office@gmail.com, and jashinkapani.im@gmail.com. So this bottle inspired me to actually do a share on this. So hope it helps you, hope it works. And all these concept of educating yourself and stuff, if you were to read quality interior designing books and stuff, and follow videos, it's going to really help you. Because I mean, it helps. I wouldn't have learnt about California and the courses and stuff if I wouldn't have been through this architectural digest magazine and stuff. So reading and updating definitely helps you. So love and luck, and take care and have fun and have a blast. And see, take a look at this again. It's such a basic one, but it's got this great energy to it and stuff. So it feels good, it feels great, and it's a nice idea. And then of course, because I like flowers a lot, and I can't go out all the time, so I've got these beautiful ones. Every time I look at them, I feel so charged up and I feel so good, So this is how it is, So use the weather and use your research and use your time wisely and sensibly, and try and get into some incredible curiosity around works and designs and stuff. It definitely will pay off. If you're a student of interior designing and architecture, or if you're kind of in the world of designing and ideation and all that, okay? So, love and luck and take care. Have fun and have a blast. Bye bye.